My name's Skinner, and this is Skinner's Dose, where I document my daily dose of adrenaline and help you get ideas of different adventures that you can take with me to get your adrenaline pumping too. I love America, and I'm blessed every day to wake up and ask myself, what am I going to do today to get my adrenaline pumping? Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys, Auxito sent us these LED headlight bulbs for the 3rd gen. This is going to be a first little unboxing. See, I do like that they give you the little gloves and everything. Just shows they do take pride in their product. As we open it up here, you're going to see really good quality. It's going to come with the orange manual thing, but right here, really good quality. I can definitely tell they're built way better than what we're used to seeing out of these Amazon, eBay headlight setups. I have been looking to get something that will shine a little bit brighter for the 3rd gen. The ones I have now are just a cheap little Amazon setup, but they're just not quite as bright as I'd like. Here you can tell the housings, everything are a lot stronger than just the normal black plastics. These have more of a industrial feel to them. These are the ones I took out. Very similar, but you will tell a little bit of difference. Definitely higher quality here. I do like the fans and everything are built right at the bottom of the light and not at the base of the wiring. I also like that the wiring there. Right here you'll see in the truck they do shine a lot brighter. We've got all of our lights up here. Honestly, at this point all we need to do now is just get some mirror lights in. But these are those bulbs that we're featuring today. Super awesome. We'll see them here against the garage. You'll see the difference of the high and low beams here. But super happy with them. I do like that they're bright enough. You can't tell a huge difference in high and low. As we drive around, you will be able to tell more of a difference of where they shine on the signs and everything. But this is no street lights, just country, as dark as it gets, and it is lighting up like it's noonday. So we're super stoked on these. Thanks again. Yeah, super excited about how they turned out. Really good quality light. Link in the description below. But everything's looking good. I would definitely run them again. Thanks a ton, Auxito. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. This one's super quick. Again, all of the link for it will be in the description. Couple other shots here. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos. Check out some of our other builds. We've got a 2017 6.7 Power Stroke and a pretty killer Jeep LJ or 2 on here as well. So like and subscribe. We'll keep doing more stuff. But thanks again for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening.